Hey, welcome back everybody. The past few videos I spent getting the engine together and getting it in this wagon. So far it's been doing pretty good. Taking it for a few test drives. But I still have a lot of parts to put back on. I went and tore these all up the ute the past few days. And I need to shove them in now. I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to get in this video, but I'm going to try to get as much as possible, because I also have to do a few other things like bleed the brakes, bleed the clutch. So let's get to it. Got a lot of work to do. Come up. Okay, the first thing we do, like we do in most projects, is we need to get up on stands. I wish I had the room for a lift. That'd be very convenient. Even some of those quick jacks would be nice, but my garage is not very wide. It's pretty narrow. Okay, next, let's take all the wheels off. I must say that this is probably the most useful tool I have. I love this thing. It really comes in handy. Yeah, they are a little pricey, but it's worth it. You should really get one of these. See how fast that was? It's like NASCAR. Or faster. Wheels off. I didn't realize this car had spacers on it. But one good thing about this car is it came with some 4-port brake calipers and some braided Goodrich braided brake lines. In the back has Brimbos and steel braided lines as well. Okay, first I'm going to take this caliper off, this bright red caliper. That way I can take the brake rod off. Then I'm going to take this strut up. Replace it with my BC coilover and my EBC Brake rotor. Let's go. Okay, before I put these BC coilovers on, I'm gonna adjust them to where they kind of match these. I don't want this car super low. I'd rather have it a little bit the stock height or higher. So I'm gonna adjust these collars. So I went ahead and measured both coilovers, compared the two, and got them both to the same length. So now I can put this one in. Yeah. Oops, I guess I forgot to hit record. But stretching now, I just have those 3 bolts started. Got these 2 bolts started. Jack the spindle up to make it a little bit easier. Just gotta tighten everything down. One thing I did before I took this top bolt out is the camber bolt. Is I put a little black mark. Kind of see it, so I know where to put it back. It's not gonna be perfect. This car's still gonna need an alignment, but it will get it close. Now we put this hood on. See if I can do it one-handed. That close, close. Goes on. Now put that big caliper on. Right. my calipers on, my rotors on, and my coilovers on. The only thing left to do over here is I need to bleed the brakes. Now I'm off to the other side, which is going to be the exact same thing. So I'll skip most of it, except for the part that I forgot to record on this side. Don't forget the monkey bolt, camber bolt, so I know where it goes. Well, this side's pretty nasty. I have a blown boot, so it's slinging grease all over the place. The caliper was covered, some of the hardware was covered. But unfortunately, I got to put it back together, drop the car on the ground to bust this nut loose before I can take that axle out. So that's probably something I'm going to do later. Luckily, I do have 2 spare axles. So let's put that strut in. Right, passing sides together. Got my rotors and my coilovers on this side. Now we get to move on to the back. Right, now it's time to do the back. Right, brakes are off, the coilovers disconnected, not the coil but the strut. Now I gotta go in the trunk, or hatch. Take those bad boys out. Well, these coilovers weren't playing nice, trying to adjust them, but it was hard to break this loose. Super tight, probably seized in there. So overnight I poured some motor oil down in there so seep down and lubricate some of these threads down in here. And that's seemed to be working so far. Haven't tried that one yet. Alright, I got my coilover adjusted. Now let's put it in the hole. Don't follow the light. Stay away from the light. As you can see, these old brakes are a lot bigger than these. So I think since they have an upgraded brake setup to the Brembo's, I think they put a bigger rotor in the back, so it's not the same size. So this little guy's not going to fit. That's a small difference. Oh well. Guess these bad boys are going back on. They seem okay. Alright, this side's back together. This one went together pretty easy. Alright, last thing to do is this wheel right side. So I'm start taking this one apart. I'll see you in a few minutes. So like a dummy, I took this caliper off, and I don't know why I took it off, since I don't have to replace these rotors anymore. I guess I just got in the habit of doing all the rest of them. I just went ahead and took this one off. Because all I need to do on this side is take the strut out. Figure since while I'm back here messing with the rear suspension, I might as well do the sway bar links and the sway bar. These have polyurethane bushings in them. So let's that sucks. I just snapped the bolt off. So now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get that sucker out. Yay. Luckily there was a bunch of shank on top, so I was able to put this nut and run it down. So I should be able to get some pliers or vice grips or something on that and pull it the rest of the way. Hey, I got it up. Could have been a lot worse than what it was. Next time I'll be a lot more gentle. Less torque. Sway bars on, struts on, brakes back together. The only thing left is to bleed them.
20 minutes later.
All the suspensions all together, all the brakes are bled. Next, I'm doing my rally armor mud flaps. Do look a bit rough. Yeah. Hopefully I still have all the hardware for it, all the screws and whatnots. Let's put them on. Alright guys, I went ahead and installed a Cobb battery tie down, which pretty sure anybody can do that. But I do have an install video on my channel. I'll put a link up here. And I also went ahead and installed my pairing alternator cover. I also made an install video for that on my channel. I'll put a link for that up there as well. See what is next. How about... Okay, next, I think I'm going to install my Cobb turbo heat shield. Installed. Good to go. Let's go home. You guys want to throw that away? Get down in there. Heat shield's on. I went ahead and bled the clutch because then it was slightly spongy. But before I put the intercooler back on, I'm working on the gauges because there's a few wires and vacuum hoses that go through the firewall. It's easier to fish out without the intercooler.
2 hours later.
Guess now I can put my wheels back on, put my new lug nuts on, and drop her. See how high she is. Well, got everything together. She's all buttoned up. I did forget one thing. Forgot I had this radiator shroud that's just been hanging on my wall forever. I think I put it on, but I might have to modify it a little bit. Alright guys, now that the car is done and put back together, I've been driving it a little bit, you know, kind of testing her out. She's pretty good for the most part. Just some slight, you know, vibrations, squeaks, noises, stuff like that. Nothing major. Biggest thing is vibration on the braking. So I bought some front brake pads, so I'll be putting those on soon. Hopefully it gets rid of my shaking. Other than that, she's been pretty solid. AC works. Installed the trailer hitch so I can pull my little trailer. Painted my side marker. So yeah, lots of things I still need to do, like do something with those headlights, clean them. Now that the wagon's squared away for the most part, I can start focusing on some of the other cars. J6. Maybe do some more track stuff with it. Hopefully have to load some more. So stay tuned for more content with those other cars. Also don't forget to subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.